Hey everyone, this is Angel with Tech Tutelage, and in today's video I will show you how to create free GitHub account. This will be the first of few videos on the topic, so make sure to subscribe for my channel so you don't miss any future videos. The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open your web browser and go to github.com. That will bring you to their homepage, and from here you can go ahead and click on sign up. Then here, you're going to go ahead and enter your email address, and then you can go ahead and click continue. And then you're going to have to pick your password, and then you're going to have to pick a username. And it seems like mine is not available, so let's see, is that available? Yeah, it seems like this one is available, so I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And then here they're going to ask you if you want to receive email about product updates and announcements. If you want, you can say yes. I'm going to say no here, and then you can go ahead and click continue. Once you have all that done, you're going to have to go down here and start this puzzle that you're going to verify that way that you are a human and not a robot. In my case, it asks me to pick two identical objects. So that will be the two scissors, and you're probably going to have a different question here. And here it's going to be the two apples. I'm not a robot. You can go ahead and click on create account. Then what's going to happen is they're going to send an email to the email that you provided to them. And in that email, you will have a code that you have to go ahead and enter in these boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email. And from my email, I'm going to get the code and input it here. So 677197990. And once you enter the code successfully, it's going to bring you to this welcome to GitHub page. And from here, you're going to have to answer some questions. This will be specific to you. In my case, I'm going to be using this just by myself, so I'm going to click just me. But if you're in a team, you're probably going to want to select the number of users that you're going to have here. And then here, are you a student or a teacher? I'm neither, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue. Then here, what specific features are you interested in using? You can just select the one that you have interest in. In my case, I'm not going to check any of them, so I'm just going to click continue. And here it's going to ask you about the type of product that you want. We're going to set up the free account. So this is what you get with the free one. Again, if you want to do the paid one, go and select this one here for just $4 per user per month. And in my case, I'm going to just go and continue with the free one. And once you have that selected, this will bring you into your account. And as you can see, I'm into my GitHub account and I'm ready to create my first repository. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, please click on the like button. Stay tuned for my next video in which I'm going to show you how to create repository and how to import repository from your local machine to your GitHub account. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel. That way you'll get notified when I make future videos. Thanks for watching.